Ryan Gass here at PTPGun.com, firearms training. And today, we're gonna show you the field strip and reassembly of this Canik METE SFT. So before you field strip any firearm, including the meaty ones, you wanna make sure that you double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded and clear. All right, so we're gonna double check, drop the magazine, set it to the side, check the chamber's clear, magazine well's clear. We are good to proceed. Now this gun's gonna take part very similarly to the Glock and the Taurus's, but it is gonna be actually slightly different, and I'll explain to you how. All right, so we have the slide back forward, and what we're gonna do is we don't have to have the slide back at all, like you do on the Glocks, we pull it back like that, you press it down on the table like that, nothing like that. What we're gonna do is we actually pull this pin down. It looks like a square on both sides. I'm gonna pull it down from both sides. When you see when I do that, you'll see the slide jump forward a little bit. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and pull the trigger, and the slide comes forward just a little bit, and then you pull it up and off of the gun. So it doesn't slide all the way off. Different, never seen it before. Now the slide is off. We're gonna have the frame here. This is as far as we're gonna take it apart for field stripping the gun. All right, take that frame, set it to the side. Now we have the slide assembly upside down. We have the spring and spring guide. We're gonna take that spring guide, gonna compress that just a little bit and pull that up and out, set that to the side as well. Now let's go ahead and get that slide, or that barrel out of the slide. We're gonna pull that barrel up and out, set it to the side, and then the slide is left. We're gonna set that to the side. We're done with field stripping this gun. From here, you need to have a cleaner maintenance you might need to do to the firearm, right? But let's go ahead and get back into reassembly. So reassembly, slide upside down, barrel upside down, muzzle first, gonna fall into place, all right? Spring and spring guide, all right? We have the flat end and we have the smaller, more rounded end. All right, we're gonna take that smaller end, put it in the muzzle end of the slide. We're gonna compress that spring just a little bit until it gets caught in the bottom of that barrel lug. Now from here, again, it's gonna be a little bit different from reassembly. We're gonna come and put it on top of the slide. It's gonna set into its place, right? And then we're gonna pull it back and let go. Definitely different from, like I said, the Glocks and the Taurus, which a lot of people are used to. Canik is a relatively small but quickly growing, up and coming company that seems to put together a pretty good product, pretty comparable product to, let's say, the Glocks and the M&Ps and whatnot. I wouldn't say it's quite on the level of the SIGs, the H&Ks, but they are doing, they're on their way up. So now we want to go ahead and do a function check on the firearm to make sure that we put it back together properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this. We're going to go ahead and pull that slide back and let go, and we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger. Then we're going to let go of the trigger. We're going to pull a slide back and let go, and repeat that again. Pull the trigger, let go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the slide back. We're going to pull the trigger back. We're gonna hold the trigger back to the rear, and then while holding that trigger to the rear, we're gonna pull that slide back. All right, we're gonna slowly release the trigger until we hear and feel that click. All right, now we're gonna pull it back to the rear because the trigger's not been reset. All right, holding it to the rear again, we're gonna pull back, let go, release the trigger until we hear and feel that click. All right, and we are now done with our functions check. For more videos on how to take apart your firearm, let us know in the comments below. Let us know what you would like to see next if we don't already have it on our channel, as we have already amassed over 60 different disassembly and reassembly videos for your enjoyment. Also, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button for us, as we have many more videos to come. And last but not least, make sure to head over to PTPGun.com and get you one of these really slick hoodies. Thank you all again, stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.